Hey y'all, well I have to do a very quick unboxing video because for my 21st wedding anniversary my husband got me a present. Does this box look familiar with the little ruler tag? Yes. And it's cute because look on the ends, it's white with this old-fashioned looking piece, but that's actually an artistic piece. And then, of course, these splatter looks, so we'll see. I guess this is a Robert Graham for women, would be my guess. Interesting. Remember how Lance's, you have the packing slip. Not going to look at that. The interior member of his had that same lime green right there. Tissue paper. This is white tissue paper. Oh my goodness. This is a woman style. Alright, let's put the box down over there. Oh my goodness, that's gorgeous, y'all. Look. Isn't that pretty? So this is woman style. The style name is Priscilla. Color Multi by Robert Graham. Oh my gosh, there's the price. My goodness. Alright, well let's just get it out of its bag and see what it looks like. I didn't finish putting my makeup on. But we are leading worship in our old church this morning, and so he went ahead and gave it to me, as soon to wear. I'll have to get it. There actually isn't much wrinkles in it. Look at that brilliant color. Just to be transparent about the price, they're $228. It's a very expensive shirt. I hope it fits. It's extra large, which typically would fit for me. It is fitted tucks, or whatever you call these pleats on the back. And I would imagine the cuff is different. It is. Oh, how pretty. Remember on Robert Graham's, the cuff and the collar are always a different material. And that's kind of one of the signature marks. And this is almost like a satin, silk satin embroidery. Very pretty. And look at the buttons, y'all. The pearlized purple. Let's see inside the collar. Oh, the collar's even more different. Look at that. You have to put this in front of it so you can really appreciate the difference. Isn't that cool? And that's even different from the cuff. So, there's the three material differences. Isn't that the coolest? Y'all, this will have to be a very fast unboxing because I need to go get any wrinkles out and figure out what I'm going to wear with this. What would y'all suggest? It's got some black under. So I'm thinking a black tank top. I'm almost wear this open with black slacks or skirt. Love y'all. I'm going to have to go get ready really fast. I just wanted to share it with y'all. Bye, 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 bye.